Hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mount Outdoors. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you're getting out in the woods and having some fun. I just want to make a quick announcement about the channel. So right now, as I'm taping this, we have 435 subscribers. And at 500 subscribers, if we hit that number, I'm going to do another giveaway. So at 500 subscribers, when we get there, I'll make a video and I'll post it out there that we hit it. And then anyone who's a subscriber, who likes it and makes a comment on that video, you will be entered to win this 40-ounce clean canteen wide mouth stainless steel single wall bottle. So I was able to get my hands on a couple of these. My buddy actually got them up in Delaware, and he got one for me, and he got me an extra one that I said I wanted to do as a giveaway. So if we hit 500 subscribers, right now we're at 435. So if we get to 500 subscribers over the next couple of weeks or whenever we hit it, then I will post a quick video about the giveaway. And then I will say if you subscribed, if you're a subscriber and you like it and you comment on the video, then we'll go ahead and get you entered into this. So stay tuned for that video once we hit 500. So just giving you a preview of our 500 subscriber giveaway. This is just a preview, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and that way you get that, click that notification button. That way you'll know when we hit that 500 and we post that video, and you'll be able to enter it. So please subscribe, and appreciate all the views, and we'll have this to give away as soon as we hit 500. Thanks, guys.